Hi, in this following video, I'm going to show you how to download and install a screen capturing software. I am going to use Screencast-O-Matic, and I'm going to show you how to record the video and then upload it to YouTube. So let's begin. Let's start by going to Screenomatic.com. So you can just type in Screenomatic. Wait till it loads. It's responding. Alright, now we're at the page. So what we're going to do here is click Start Recording for Free. I'm going to make this window a little bit bigger here. And then it's hard to see, but you're going to click on the red button right there. You're going to wait for it to download. It's taking its sweet time. I'm just going to hit download here since it's being difficult. And then, as far as this browser goes, I'm just going to hit run because I'm using TeamViewer to be able to do this video correctly. So I'm using two different browsers on mirroring two different systems. So I'm just going to hit run. And then right here, what we're going to do is be able to choose our settings, or our options, as you can say. So you have the option just to use as screen, just to use as webcam, or you can use both. And then the maximum time you can change from 1 minute to 15 minutes, or you can choose to upgrade to the paid version as well. You can do full screen, 1080p, 480, 720, or active windows. The narration stays the same, and the computer audio basically always stays the same. And then you can choose the preferences as far as the sticky keys, screen recorder, pause hotkey, webcam by hotkey, mark, timeline hotkey, countdown, control bar, webcam, preview, full screen, record controls, perception cursor on resume, keyboard controls while paused, or on done. You can choose what you want to do next. You can click OK. And now we're going to act like we're going to record a video. So I'm just going to say, hi, how's it going? We're doing this video for a training video. Then I'll just stop it right here. Okay, your next thing you're going to do is you can either play it to see how you did, or you can hit done if you want to continue with the next options of uploading the video, or you can click on the trash icon here to start over. So what I'm going to do now is hit done. I'm going to choose save/upload. And then you have your three options here. Save as video file, upload to Screencast-O-Matic, or upload to YouTube, which that's our third option. That's what we're going to be doing. So we're going to wait for it to load here. And now that it's loaded, you have your options of the account name, title, description, tags, privacy, category, and cursor, and captions. And before I forget, I was already logged in, but it's going to give you a prompt to log in your YouTube information, so your account information for your YouTube. So make sure that you have that handy as well. So we're going to click done, or excuse me, we're going to click publish. And then we're going to wait until that is done. It shouldn't take too long. It depends on the video size of how long it took. So now you have your options of, you can email it to yourself, you can Facebook, not really sure what this one is. This one looks like Google Classroom or Twitter, or you can open the upload, or you can copy the link. So if you have to send it to somebody. With that being said, I think that's about it. All you have to do next is click done, and you're all good to go. Like I said, you have those options of copying the link or submitting the videos to either the social media or those different options that I just discussed. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much.